Okay, welcome to our first ever Big Bang Baby road trip.
Yeah.
We have officially killed a duck.
He fucking hit me in the face.
We had the window
Start
open.
with a big bang.
We had the window open,
Thanks.
and he flew in through the window,
Oh, that makes
and he exploded right here. He exploded right here.
see some guts.
There's him, completely demolished.
Aw.
Some guts there, some spaghetti string intestines, and more. I think his head's back there on the window. Who wants to brave that one?
Of Savannah.
Talus obviously got the worst. He got the whole fucking.
This duck came out of nowhere and smoked me in the face.
So gross! And naturally, Sheldon and George.
One fact.
Oh, a little bit. Okay, we're gonna clean up here. Yay.